All right, so today we're going to replace the cabin air filter on a 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. So you'll be in your passenger side right here, and then down on the floorboard, you'll see a panel right here. And the filter is behind this panel. All right, now in order to remove this panel, you need to go behind it. And it should kind of pop out of place. You'll have to unclip it like so. As you can see, we have a couple clips, and these clip into these clips here, and then our filter is right here. All right, so we have a tab down here, and you have to pull that down to get the door to come off. So once you get that unclipped, you can now access your filter right here. And you may have to pull it down a little bit to get it out. And here is a clean filter compared to the old filter. So this may not have been replaced for the entire time, as you can see all this. And this is what you're breathing in. So this is your reminder, if you had your car for over a year, if you haven't replaced it for over a year, it might look like this. So definitely replace it with a new one. You'll want to kind of bend it to get in. You're supposed to take this other panel at the top off, but it's not totally necessary. As long as you can kind of finagle it in there, you'll have to kind of bend it a little bit. All right, and then just have to put the clamp back on here. When you're putting this back on, you'll see at the very top there is a small little kind of circular part right here. It has to clip into the top right here, and then at the bottom you can clip it back in. So that's how it's going to look when it's clipped back into place. And then we're going to clip our little door back into place. So get these 3 clips right here. They're going to snap into place like so. And then you should be good to go right there. And that's how you change out your air filter in your Jeep Cherokee.